What's going on, YouTube? Today we're gonna give you a different type of video. It's cold outside. Winter just started maybe a few weeks ago, and it's starting to get into the 40s. I'm in Virginia, so the weather kind of up and down all the time. So it's getting to the point of the fishing season where it's just getting too cold out there. I brought my boat in the garage. I'm gonna do some cleaning, some maintenance. So while I'm in here, I'm gonna shoot a video of me actually cleaning my carpet. My front deck is terrible. We got stains everywhere. You got black spots and stuff everywhere, fish juice everywhere. So we're gonna try to clean that. So I watch a lot of YouTube, and I seen guys cleaning their carpet with shaving cream. So those videos are interesting, but I'm definitely gonna try it. The carpet looked like it works. It works out pretty well. So we're gonna try it. So this, like I said, this is a different type of video. So hang with me, hang tough, and just let's see. It's a hack, but let's just try it. Hopefully I don't destroy my front deck, but I definitely want it to be clean, and I've seen other guys clean their decks with it. So hang with us and hang tough. Yeah, a different therapy in session. Peace.
Water or cold water?
So what we're gonna do, what I think I wanna do is, I think I wanna get the front deck nice and moist, nice and wet. So I believe if I get it nice and moist, nice and wet, put the shaving cream down, and then I'm gonna take my Craftsman drill with the attachment, and I'm gonna pretty much scrub the deck with that. So I'm gonna get it wet and get it moist, put my shaving cream down, use my attachment, scrub the deck pretty good. And then once I do that, I'm gonna take my Bissell. This thing, if you've never used one of these, this is it. I'm not sponsored by these people, and hopefully, matter of fact, Bissell, holla at your boy. But this little carpet cleaner right here, I think it ran me $1.50, $1.60. No, it was actually $1.60, and I got it on sale around one of those holidays. I got it on sale like $1.25 or something like that. So I'm gonna use this to get the deck pretty wet. So then I'm gonna use this to actually suck up some of the dirt, and this will help with the drying. And also, I kind of want the boat to kind of dry pretty quickly. So this is it. This is my setup. This is what I'm going to use. So hang with us. So I got my boy behind the camera. He ain't getting paid right now. He broke. He don't have any money right now, so he's my cameraman. So right now I'm gonna use my Bissell. I'm gonna get it nice and moist. I'm gonna turn it on, get it nice and wet, and we're gonna go from there. So I got it pretty soaked. I'm gonna shake up some of this shaving cream. I'm scared like hell. This is scaring the hell out of me, but we're gonna try it. So I seen the guys pretty much. Gotta take the lid off. Pretty much get it up there. Oh man, this smells good. So I'll tell you what, if it don't come clean, it's sure enough gonna smell good. So I think what we're gonna do is I'm gonna kind of do half and then leave that side dirty, so you will kind of be able to see if it came clean or not. All right, so we're gonna use an attachment. Take the Bissell, I'm gonna wet it some more, and now I'm gonna suck it all up. And hopefully it comes clean, and hopefully I didn't just ruin the damn carpet. Here goes nothing.
Pretty good.
I think it looks pretty good too.
Mm-hmm. That's why I said trust the process.
I think it looked damn good, to be honest with you. Let's keep going. So we got half of the deck clean. I'm gonna have my son show you. So this half is clean, and that half is still nasty, and you can see a difference. I mean, this shaving cream, I don't know what the hell is in it that makes the carpet kind of stand up and kind of loosen things up, but you can kind of tell that's what it's doing. And I think that's why it's working so well, because it's allowing the carpet to raise, all the water and the stuff is allowing the stuff to break up, and then you just suck it right up. Let's see what we got so far. Look at that. Look at that. Look at it. That's how you know it's working. Look at that mess. That's fish juice, fish ass, fish everything. It's working well. Working well. All right, so we got that side done, which it looks incredible, man. This shaving cream is unbelievable. I mean, it looks great. So now, you can look at the comparison. This look ashy ass gray, and that looks brand new gray. And so we're gonna start this. We're gonna do this side, and then we're gonna wrap up the video. But you can see how it is. I mean, this is a big stain right here, big nasty stain right there. I mean, you can definitely see that. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna get it all wet first. Here we go. Wow, I'm impressed. I mean, this carpet looks brand new. It is clean. Those crapping nibbles came up. You don't even see those anymore. And the smell is incredible. I mean, this smells really good. So, this shaving cream hack, cleaning the carpet, boat carpet with shaving cream, it's a go. Definitely it's a go. Definitely it's a go. I mean, it came clean. It looks good too. Definitely looks good. So, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please remember to like, comment, and most definitely subscribe. I hope you like the new content. We're gonna keep shooting different things. It's cold outside. I'm not going out there. I'm not. So hopefully y'all like the new content, and we out. Peace.